Right, oh, where do you go?
In, out, shake it all about.
Bang on, wrong way, was it, John?
It was, mate, it was. I was sitting right on fucking top of one of my nuts. My fucking feet are all slipping out because I was standing in that shit.
I've got 168 miles of fuel left.
I got 131.
Mine's a lying bastard, says it's 100. Says about half a tank in 100 miles, that's to believe up a minute.
And I've done 132 miles.
I don't know, maybe I'm getting more miles per gallon because I'm driving a bit more slowly.
Conservatively.
Slowly. Slowly.
68.6 to the gallon.
Right, I'm getting 64.7.
Mine's just changing at 60. Oh, well, it was about 70, now it's down to 60.
I don't think Alex turned his comms on.
Okay. I'll sort it in Starbucks.
15 quid to go and look at some stones.
Aye, that's what it was, mate.
I'll show you mine for nothing.
Oh, you cheap cunt. It cost you a tenner to see mine.
You turned your comms on yet, Alec? Nope.
If he's not got the morning, we'll hear you.
Well, that's very true.
It's a bit like shame somebody saying, are you asleep?
Are you asleep? No fucking no!
Well, believe it or not, I could say that to my wife and she would be sleeping and she would say, aye, I am sleeping. But she's a very light sleeper.
Right, we're turning right here, guys. Slow down a wee bit, make sure there's no traffic. And we're good, not there. Through this corner, C69.
Cracking wee house, eh?
That's lovely, isn't it? It's hardly weird, it's fucking massive.
I get fuck out of the bungalow.
Oh, right, the wee one before it.
You didn't say cracking big house, did you?
No, I know.
You've been in the sun too long.
69. That's what you need. Oh, you bastard, I was going to go there. Fucking the wrong gear.
Busy road, eh?
It's alright, we've got a course.
It's alright.
It's my mistake.
We're just going up to Starbucks anyway, so don't worry about it.
Ah.
Golf.
Right,
We've
any
got
gap
polo.
after this fucking...
Golf.
After this white car.
Right. Right, Starbucks is just up here.
McDonald's going to Costa.
Ah,
Across the road.
fucking threw me there and I fucking looked at that and went, what?
Easier to get out on this side.
Plenty of room for everybody. Pick a space yourself.
Well, fatty features would get out the road.
Old man noises.
That is old man noises, mate. No doubt about that. I'm just leaving my helmet thing this time.
Starbucks.
Yeah.
It's hot.